The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall, skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. That video that I just presented to you, that video is circulating on social media where it is said that the video shows a man inside of a prison getting his hair and feet done by inmates of a prison somewhere in the world. I cannot confirm if that video actually shows a man inside of a prison getting his hair and his feet done by inmates inside of a prison somewhere out there in the world. No, I cannot confirm that. But according to where I found this video on social media, it is said that the video shows a man inside of a prison getting his hair and his feet done by inmates inside of a prison somewhere out there in the world. One of the things I am thinking about is, could it be that these persons were actually outside of the prison, but close to the wall of the prison from the outside of that prison? You see me? And I'm also thinking about the fact that the video had been recorded at night. You see? Now, I don't know much about prison. And believe me, I don't want to know much about prison. You see me? I say. But however, I was told that inmates inside of a prison have to go inside of their prison cells at a certain time each day. See? And I'm also wondering if that man was actually using a cellular phone. See? Yeah, because the video shows the man with his hand somewhere up to his face, you know, close to his face and so forth. So if that man was actually using a cellular phone, and if those persons are actually inside of a prison, wouldn't that phone be a contraband? See? And if those persons actually was outside of a prison, the video shows a man doing the man's hair and a man down by the man's feet. You see me? So all of those things have me thinking, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Anyways, but just point out those things to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? You can let me know what you think. You can let me know if you think this video actually shows a person inside of a prison getting his hair and his feet done by inmates inside of a prison that is located somewhere out there in the world. See me? Let me know what you think about that video. Alright? And there's a video circulating on social media that shows Tamale Sparta and a person inside of a prison that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't know when the video will be recorded. You see me? However, that video is being talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers, you know. Here's a clip of the video, you know. You can let me know what you think about that video as well. You see, the victim of an incident where it is said that gunmen abducted a motorist and threw him inside of a pit that is located within Jones Avenue, St. Catherine, Jamaica, said that he forgave those who had done that to him. It is said that his motor vehicle had been stolen. The victim is said to be a 66-year-old male, and the victim talked about the incident, sharing his experience of being inside of the pit. Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, do not know about the incident and want more information about the incident, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about the incident. See? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you a few pieces of audios that are said to be from the victim talking about the incident. See? Now, before I present these pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the things that have been said in these audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen and observe.
Search with the gun light, they could not see me. When they get fed up of searching with the gunlight, they start to throw big stone, dig down the thing in the pit, and then they pour some liquid smell like gas or gas oil, drop some plastic down there, it catch a fire, and then I have a piece of board that I find down there, I pull it in and bat it out. I will have doubt in my mind. I was questioning God all the time because I did have doubt about God. But I pray to God. I said, God, you are the God that made heaven. You are the God that made earth. You are the God that made mankind. So you know where I am. Send angels. Take me out. Down to the bottom of it. When I learn how far I fall and without a broken bone, I know it could never be no one else but God. It had to be a miracle. I forgive those two guys who do this to me because they are young people. And when you are young, you make a lot of mistakes. I think they are in late teen, early 20s. They are very young people. So I know that's the time we make a lot of mistakes when we are young because we feel everything okay. We feel nothing can go wrong.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?